From your Sakai course, click Site Info on the left. Click the Manage Tools tab at the top of the page. Scroll down to the list of the library tutorials. Click the arrow to reveal the list of lessons for your chosen instruction. From the drop-down list, select the lessons you would like to use in your Sakai course. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Continue. Click Continue. Click Finish. The links to the library tutorials appear on the left side of the page. Students can now click on the links to view the tutorials.